Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 10 not opening any program. So to resolve this problem, search Registry Editor, REGEDIT, open Registry Editor. First thing you have to do, export your Registry Editor, file and export and save it. So this is the backup for your Registry Editor. Now here, expand HKey class root. Now in this list you have to find out .exe. This one. So double click on it. Right click on default, modify, and make sure it's written here exe file. If here you will find something written different, so type this exactly exe file, then okay. Now similarly find out exe file. Like this one, find out this one, double click on it. Now here you will see default, right click on it, modify, and here you type this text, quotation mark, double quotation mark, percentage sign 1, double quotation mark, percentage sign, star. So type this command, then click on OK. Now here you will see once you expand exe file, so shell folder, double click on it. Now right click on, now expand shell and double click on open. Now here default, right click on it, modify, and type validator, double quotation mark, percentage sign 1, double quotation mark, percentage sign, star. Then click on OK. Now close and restart your system. So this is the setting, guys. You can fix and resolve Windows 10 not opening any program. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.